Sometimes our natural lashes just aren't enough to make the eyes pop. Strip lashes can be too dramatic, and so what I like to do to create a gorgeous daytime look is to apply some natural individual lashes. Most brands have short, medium and long lengths, but I only ever tend to use the short and medium lengths as these give the most natural finish to the eye. Applying lashes requires a lot of practice, so when applying individuals, ask a friend can you make them up for their next event for great practice. So firstly, you're going to place a blob of glue onto the back of your hand or onto a piece of tin foil. You need to wait 3 minutes before you dip the lash in, or else it won't be tacky enough or sticky enough. While that's drying, I recommend curling the lashes before applying these lashes. And also don't forget to put a light coat of mascara onto the natural lashes, as this will not only tint them, but also give them great volume beforehand. Leave a minute until the mascara is dry, then start by applying the individual lashes. So start by taking one lash off using a tweezers. Take the lash off very gently and dip it into the tacky glue. Drop the fake lash onto your natural lash line as close to the root as possible. Make sure it's attached to the lashes, not the skin. Now I use my fingers to adjust into the position I want, and you can position any lashes that have moved also. Consider the length of your client's lashes. I like to add longer lashes towards the end and use shorter lashes on their inner corner of their eye. The overall look doesn't have to be perfect. Lashes will just add a fluttery natural finish. So don't panic if you see the glue staying white. It dries clear, but if you want a darker liner, as I've said before, apply some liquid liner for more impact and dramatic finish.